Measuring PIP and DIP flexion. Patient will be in a seated or comfortable position. The measuring process for both of these joints is similar, and so we'll do them both in this video. So to begin off with, to measure these joints, you want your stationary arm on the proximal phalanx and your movement arm on the middle phalanx with your axis on the PIP joint, like this. So Rachel, what I want you to do is I want you to curl your fingers into a bear claw and keep it just like that. Once again, proximal phalanx, middle phalanx, and right over the PIP joint. So right here, we're looking at 120 degrees. And you will do this same process with each of the PIP joints, as you can see here. To measure the DIP joint, you will do relatively the same thing, except this time you'll have the stationary arm on the middle phalanx and the movement arm on the distal phalanx, with the axis right over the DIP joint. Right here, we're looking at 70 degrees.